Hello everyone in Cyber World. It's Poor Man once again. As I've mentioned in a previous video, we've got a whole bunch of projects that I want to complete with our new home, and this one here is going to be on vertical blinds. I just wanted to show that this was a really easy project to do, that anybody who's kind of not sure about doing it themselves or they want to hire somebody, this is something that you can put together in probably about 20-30 minutes, and you'd be able to get a set of blinds up. So I had 8 different blinds in the house that I special ordered and installed myself, but some are known as outside mount and some are referred to as inside mount. I'm going to show you 2 that are side by side. One is an outside mount on a door, and the other one's an inside mount within a window frame itself. So let's take a look at how it went.
First, we tackle outside mounted vertical blinds. This involves installing a set of brackets on the wall which are spread apart evenly. It does not have to be perfect. The idea is to distribute the weight of the blinds when they are hung. Then it's simply a matter of snapping the rail into the brackets. Once that's completed, you just hang all the blinds. The next set of blinds are inside mounted blinds, which are mounted inside the window frame. The difference here are the brackets are mounted in the top of the frame. As with the outside blinds, the next step is to snap the rails into the brackets and then hang the blinds. I forgot to record it, but once the blinds are hung, you attach a valance which also snaps onto the rail using provided clamps. Here are the finished outside mounted blinds, and here are the finished inside mounted blinds. Yes, it's that simple, and you too can do it. It would be a great weekend project if you're getting tired of your existing window dressing. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you again next week.